Okay, we're back to a job we did about 8 years ago in a library. And you see how we got all these different colors of carpet, these strips. These were bookshelves. And then over here, where they have these bolts out of the wall, they had bookshelves also around the edges. This is the original carpet from I think when they built the building, and then they put this in later. And this is the third phase. So we're tearing it out from this doorway right here. And then they built this wall here. And then there's another door over there. So we're just gonna do this room with a different color. And what we're doing right now is we're just cleaning it up really good so that when we pull the carpet tile up, we don't get any dirt in our glue here. So what we're gonna do with that is we're gonna skim coat the whole thing. So we're gonna sweep all the heavy stuff up and then we'll vacuum everything. And that way it's nice and clean as we're doing our demo. Okay, this is where we're at so far. We got this all demoed. You see the different types of glue they used. The burgundy carpet had the latex, just a regular carpet glue, and then the middle part's are pressure sensitive. That's where those racks used to be. So I got to give this like a light scrape and sweep. Then I'm gonna skim coat it. Once that's done, we'll start laying some carpet. And since that glue is so sticky, we're not walking on it with our shoes. What we're doing is we're putting tape on the bottom, like this right here. I'll show you what it looks like later. It's really easy to take off. And then we're putting it on our knee pads too. These are the knee pads right there, and then we just put the tape over it. See how the glue residue's on it already? That way you don't get your knee pads all jacked up. So that's what we ended up with. We still got to do some base, but they got to paint first.